You can't help but notice that everything we buy is getting more expensive. Inflation has been a headline for almost 2 years now, and every time I go out to eat or shop at the grocery store, I notice it's not getting any better. In today's video, I'm going to show you how dividend investing can help you fight back at inflation and beat it handily. Hi, my name is Brad Lineberger, founder of Seaside Wealth Management. We help people successfully transition into retirement and stay comfortably retired. I'm passionate about teaching and coaching about financial matters, and that's why I create videos like this. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel below, and we'll send you more. 2022 was a terrible year for stocks, with the S&P 500 declining 25% from January through October, a major bear market by anyone's definition. It then stabilized a bit, ending the year down just a hair less than 20%. If that were the end of the story, 2022 would have gone into the books as an unbelievably bad year. Indeed, quite the worst one since the onset of the global financial crisis in 2008. But of course, that isn't the end of the story, because the prices of stocks are just one aspect of their total return. The other is dividends, the actual cash disbursements that companies make to their owners out of their earnings, and the income on which many retired investors are living. In 2022, those dividends went up just shy of 11% from 2021. That's right, at $66.92, last year's S&P 500 cash dividend was nearly 11% higher than 2021. This was the 13th year in a row that dividends increased. That's what dividends do. As publicly traded companies, they have significantly increased their earnings over time. They've been able to reward their shareholders by raising their cash dividends. The 11% increase last year, while on the high side of the historical trend, was certainly no fluke. Let's take a look at the last 50 years to give you some more context. In 1973, the earnings per share of the S&P 500 was $7.91, and the dividend was $3.61 per share. In 2022, earnings per share had skyrocketed to $219, and dividends per share was almost $63. What has gone on here? Simply stated, the dividends went up because the earnings went up, and the index itself, borne aloft by those rising earnings, went from 98 at the end of 1973 to 3,839 at the end of last year. But please try to ignore that for a moment if you can. I'm just attempting to focus you on the growth of the dividend, which, as you can see, has risen more than 18 times. And what did inflation do in that same 50-year time period? Well, the consumer price index increased 6.4 times from 46 in December of 73 to 293 in December of 22. That's right. The S&P 500 cash dividend has gone up 3 times more than inflation over the last 50 years. The increase in dividends has absolutely trounced the rate of inflation over the last 5 decades. Now, should you go out and put all of your money in the S&P 500? Absolutely not. You need to construct a well-diversified portfolio of dividend-paying instruments. The S&P 500 should be a core component of it, but so should international dividend payers, small cap value, international small cap, real estate investment trusts or REITs. All of these investment vehicles have done a good job of increasing dividend payouts over the years, and the added diversification will help protect you against periods of time like the lost decade from 2000 to 2009, where the S&P 500 lost 1% per year. The point to focus on is that dividends and a globally diversified portfolio of dividend payers can really help you beat inflation pretty handily over the years. So while inflation was bad last year, it was nowhere near 11%. Remember, it's not your account statement that you'll be taking to the supermarket over a 3-decade retirement, it's your income. If you need help constructing a dividend-paying investment portfolio, get in touch with me and I'll help you do it. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel below and I'll send you more. Also, don't forget to download your guide on how to maximize your Social Security benefits, as well as how to save money on taxes in retirement. These will help you navigate the journey. See you soon.